I'm here to show you how to connect with your provider using a MyChart video visit. You may have scheduled a video visit appointment, requested a video visit on demand, or your provider may have transitioned a previously scheduled in-person appointment into a video visit. In any case, the basic steps I'm about to show will be similar. Keep in mind that there might be differences between healthcare providers, including whether video visits are offered. Always trust the instructions you receive from your care team when seeking virtual care. I'll show you the workflow through the mobile app, but the steps on the website will be the same. Let's say you have a video visit scheduled for today. It will appear with your other appointments here. Notice the video camera icon, indicating that this is a video visit. Before your appointment begins, you'll complete e-check-in. You can pay any outstanding balances, like a copay or previous balance. I'll pay the copay. After entering your credit card information, the payment will be processed right away. You also have the opportunity to update your current medications. I'll add ibuprofen. Next, you'll likely be asked a series of questions required by your healthcare provider. I won't demonstrate answering all of the questions, I'll just show you the first few. Once the questionnaire is complete, you might have to read and sign a consent form. Now it's time to submit. The information is on file. I'll close e-check-in. You can connect to your video visit before your appointment time to test your equipment. I'll select it and choose Begin Visit. If you are connecting to your video visit using a mobile device, you may be prompted to choose a method to connect your video and audio. Be sure to allow for both. Your provider also connects to conduct the visit and will guide you through the visit just like they would in person. Before we end the tutorial, let me show you one quick video visit scheduling workflow: on-demand video visits. I mentioned on-demand videos earlier. They are the type of visit that doesn't have a pre-scheduled appointment. From your MyChart homepage or menu, select Talk to a Doctor. Confirm your location. Choose the reason for the video visit, and tap Put Me in Line. Adding a comment allows the provider to see what you'd like to discuss. If there was a wait, you would specify how you'd like to be notified when the provider is available. This visit will start soon, so no prompt appears. From here, you would start e-check-in while waiting for the provider, or begin the visit now if you're ready. The rest of the steps are the same as the scheduled video visit. Thanks for watching!